Hi, we'll be making a basic French omelette today, and so we'll be making a folded omelette. We have already made an egg batter for the same. It's equal amount of egg yolks, and it's only 2 eggs, what we'll be using. So for egg, the egg white sets at around 65 degrees Celsius it start cooking, but it sets at around 80 degrees Celsius. The yolk again starts thickening at 70 degrees Celsius and completely sets at 80 degrees Celsius. So we will be cooking on a slow heat to get a good texture, and also we are using a non-stick Teflon coated pan which gives out better results for an omelette. This constant stirring of the egg in the pan allows us to cook the omelette evenly as well as to get a good texture. So once the omelette is a little runny from the top, but it is cooked from the bottom, you start folding the omelette. It's a A fold, so you do it from one side and from the other side, like an A, alphabet A. Perfect French omelette needs to be a crescent shape, so and we'll tuck in the sides or at the edges of the omelette so that nothing comes out of the omelette. It needs to be a perfect closed crescent. As this is an induction, so the sides of the pan really don't get heated when we are using the pan, so it's bad.